Hi. So in this session we will discuss about ngif directive. And if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. Let's start. ngif directive, it works on the basis of boolean value. It could be a true or false. If it's true, then the element will be added into the DOM layout. Otherwise, it will removed from the DOM layout. The syntax is very simple. Uh, I'll show you. Tell you like strict ngif equals an expression. Let me show you some example. Let's take one variables here. First is valid. We will test with it. It's a boolean. Let me add it like true. Let's go to the HTML file and add one div file. One div. ngif. This is a syntax. This is the syntax. So let me find this. This is a property which is already defined in components file. If it's true, okay, then this line will get print. The data is valid. Okay, let me add one more div here. If it's not it's not a true, okay, then the data is invalid. Okay, so let's see. Oh, sorry, still it's not a start. Let me start application here. So what it will do, if it's true, okay, when each valid value is true, then this div is going to add into DOM. Okay, and when each valid value is false, then this div is going to be add into DOM. That means if it's true, then this will not add. Okay, if it's false, then this will not add. Let's wait. Once application will start, and I'll show you. Yeah, actually it will take time, like 1 minute, 2 minutes. Just hold up. Okay, so now it'll take 10 to 15 seconds. Let me start this project. Okay, it's compiled successfully. You can see here this data is valid. Okay, let me change this value. False from true. You will see here data is invalid. Okay, so let's see one more example here. Let me create one method. On click of button, we will change this this boolean value. You can also define it any. that's also fine. But if you define like in a specific, then it's more readable. This dot which is valid. So whatever we will assign into this, we will pass into this method. This will assign to this variable. Let me create two buttons here. We'll add both the buttons inside a div. Input type button. Oh, sorry. Input type radio. We'll check with radio. Instead of button, it's better to go with the radio button. Click. On click of this, we will call this method. Change data. Here we will pass the value true or false. Okay, let me make it by default it's checked. And this radio button name is valid. Let's pass here false. The name of this button is invalid. Let's see how it works. So one second. Oh, let's remove this. One button will be selected. This one is the valid button is selected. Okay, let me click on this invalid. Valid. For valid case, this data is valid, so this div is getting added to the DOM. Okay, in this case, this one, yeah, this is for ngif. Okay, and that's it from my side. In next video, we will look like how we use else with the ngif. Thank you. Thanks for listening.